if you need to repair something that is old, that has holes and other damage to it, we're gonna be talking about a few different ways you can repair these things in this video. And all this piece has is a simple hole at the side seam. So this is gonna be a pretty straightforward fix. Okay, so I'm going to come down here to the base of where the problem began and take my first stitch. So you can see where this line of stitching needs to be, and I'm just going to be copying it. So I'm going to do this kind of stitch where I go in the top and then back up out the top like that. And then go through that loop to anchor it, pull tight. Okay, so I'm just going to go like this. And so I went, and now I'm going to pierce halfway through my old stitch, in through the top, and then back out through the top. Pull it, pierce halfway through, in through the top, back out through the top. Okay, looks like we got to the end of the hole. So now we'll just tie a knot. So I'm going to go in close to where I came out, pull through, and then stick my needle in that loop. And pull it tight. So now I'm just going to kind of hide this tail in the seam allowance here, taking a few stitches this way. And back. And we can cut that off. We have fixed the little dress. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you found value in this, please do give my video a like. And if you did this and it worked out, or if it didn't work out, please leave a comment down below. I would love to know how it went, or if you have any more questions that I can help you with. And also, please do subscribe to the channel if you're into this kind of thing, because we put out a different video every week, and it's all about sewing. So we do repairs, we do fun projects, we do alterations, we do machine maintenance and troubleshooting, we do all kinds of things like that. And I love to help people with their specific questions too. So if there's anything you'd like a video on, please leave a comment and I will do my best to make that happen. So thanks again, guys. I appreciate you watching, and until next time, happy sewing.